sunrise. Won't you tell me how you've grown? Words and deeds and wisdom, your knowledge, roots and hate. I'm sorry you've not found yourself, but for me it's not too late. This lonely road, trying to forget about things that we both were told, of how we'd see the sunrise on every future day. You know I'll never leave you, but you know that I can't stay. You said you're gonna walk with me to Miracle Mile, taking steps together, but knowing all the while that we'd never get there. The time would be too near, and I would walk alone, 'cause you would not be here. Revelations known, when happiness turns to numbness. Won't you tell me